Hi everyone, this is just a quick overview of how you can subscribe to the brand new CSU newsletter if you haven't done so already. So what you'll need to do is go to chestersu.com. While you're there, have a little look around our lovely new website. We've put loads of new features in there for you to make it easy for you to find out what's going on around campus, especially handy during these coronavirus times. So once you're registered, which you'll do by the university, all you need to do is go into your account stroke profile, go down to my details, and make sure that you have the box checked next to I'd like to receive updates, newsletters, and messages about Chester Students' Union and its services by email. If you don't have that checked, then you won't be able to hear from us for things like events, for when Union on Tour's coming, or for when we do things like special offers and giveaways of merchandise and that sort of thing. So make sure that you've got that box ticked. And that's all there is to it, really. If you haven't yet registered and you're not sure how to, all you need to do is go onto any page on the website and click the sign in link on the top right corner. And because you're a student at the University of Chester, you're going to click on the big banner here and simply log in with your student ID and password. Now, this is my old student ID from when I was a student at Chester. That's unfortunately not going to work for me. However, it will work absolutely perfectly for you. It will sign you in. It'll bring you back to chestersu.com. You'll fill in a very, very short survey just to make sure that we've got all your details correct. And then you'll be able to access all the union services, including things like societies, completely online.